12:30, back on trail, Yosemite Valley. Gonna do some upper Yosemite Falls. Estimated 7 to 10 hours. I think it was like 7 to 8 miles. Round trip, probably taking less video on the way up because I want to try and charge it, get some good pictures at the top, and be back before the sun sets. Let's get it. The gent I spoke to said it's worth it going to the top. He said there was a river up there you can lay in. I think that might be necessary because it's hot. Pushing like a hundo, around 100 degrees. Been taking breaks. These aren't bad for break views. Just saying. Oh, damn. Still got a bit of a climb. Still a little ways. Progress. I think we're close. I can hear water. We're close. Well, we got a yard sale over here. Ooh. Break time, recharge, 2.5 hours. Gonna mellow out and then we'll get back down. Boosh! Doing some trailblazing to avoid crossing again. And actually gotta go all-wheel drive. BRB! Not so bad. Trail. It's a long way down. Not a lot of video in this section because these steps thought they were tough going up. Whole different challenge going down. So using both poles to maximize. Oh, yeah. Another good reason to start early, so you're not chasing daylight. Still doable though. Bit of a break from the steps. Great views. Can't be mad at that at all. Bonus to a late start, I'm in the shade. This part was like full sun earlier today. Not mad at that. Making progress. Skeeters are out in full force. So I've just been trying to move quick and avoid the swarm. To be continued. Get skeeters off. Explain. It's about out.